Hello, do you know that Excel has more than 38 functions exclusively for handling text? Let us see the first function called concatenate, which helps to combine two or more strings to form a single string value. So in this example, we have the first name as well as the last name, and we need to create a new field called full name, which has the first name, a space, as well as the last name. Let's see how can we do it. So we can use the function called concatenate and select the first name, which is B2, and say comma. And what is the delimiter? So we want to keep a space in between. Just give a space within double quote, and then select the last name and close the bracket. So now you have created a new field called full name, which is a combination of the first name and the last name separated by space. Now you can copy this to all the records and you have the result. Hope you enjoy it.